Welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to ignore messages on Messenger. So, first is you could just simply turn off the notification of a person. For example, I'm gonna turn off the notification for John Savvy, and from here, tap on their name, and from here, if we scroll down, we should have notifications and sound, and you just simply turn it off, and you will have multiple options over here that you could try. Now, if you want to do this on the whole application itself, which means you will not receive any notifications into your phone by the Messenger app, just simply go to your settings into your device, scroll down, and you go for apps. And now here on the apps, you just simply go ahead and go for the Messenger application. Now you could also use the search icon on the top right if you want that. Now over here, as you can see, you will have the notifications tab over here. And down below, you can customize it as well, which means you can filter it out, or you could just simply go ahead and completely turn it off by tapping on show notifications and just simply turn it off. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.